Hello, and welcome to Supreme Online Marketer. I'm Cristina. Thank you for joining me today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download an image. But before I begin, if this is your first time here on the channel, I would like to invite you to click on the big red button below and subscribe. And be sure to leave a comment saying I've subscribed. Oh, and don't forget to click on the bell icon too, so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So with those things out of the way, let's get started. So what you're going to do is you're going to locate the image that you want to download. In this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this image here to download. Once I selected this image, I'm going to right-click on it. Then when I'm ready to save it, I'm going to select Save Image As. But before I do that, what you want to do is you want to keep in mind that you want to keep these images in a certain file so you can remember where you save them, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a folder under my desktop, and I'm going to name it Marketing Images. So I can go ahead and save this file there. But before I do that, let me go ahead and come back to this image and right-click, right? And click on Save Image. Once you click on Save Image, you're going to see a window that comes up. And what it's going to do is it's going to allow you to save this image under your Downloads folder. But what I mentioned before, what I want to do is I want to download it into a specific folder that I create under my desktop so that I remember where it is, right? But before that, I want to change the file name. As you can see, the file name is already highlighted in blue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this file name first. And I'm going to rename it, okay, to something that I'll remember. So let me go ahead and change it to Image 1. Image 1, okay? You can rename it whatever you'd like so that you remember which image this is, okay? Then what you want to do is you want to save this in a folder that you remember. What I'm going to do is I'm going to save it under Desktop, and I'm going to create a new folder. And in order to do that, you want to click on the menu up here that says New Folder. Click on that and create a new folder. I'm going to name this one Marketing Images, okay? You can name it whatever you'd like so that you remember which one it is that you're saving your images in. Then go ahead and click on Enter so you can save this folder. Now what you're going to do is you're going to double click on the folder in order to open it and save this file that you just downloaded, or you're going to download it into this folder. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click on Save so that you can save this file, Image 1, under Marketing Images on your desktop. So go ahead and click on Save, and that is going to allow you to save the file. So that's how you download an image. Now, if you're still not clear on how to do so, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be sure to get back to you. That pretty much sums it up. So listen, I really hope this helped you understand how to download an image. Now, if you really enjoyed this video today, if you got some value from it, let me know by giving me a thumbs up and let me know what you thought in the comments below. And like I mentioned before, if this is your first time here on the channel, I would like to invite you to click on the big red button below and subscribe. And be sure to leave me a message saying I've subscribed. And don't forget, click on that bell icon too so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Because I'm always coming up with new content and you don't want to miss it, right? I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Take care. I'll see you soon.